guys! Welcome to my class. Our topic for today is about fraction and division. You are going to learn it here the easy way. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe so that you will be kept updated on the next math lesson. Then like and share so that you can also help other students. We are going to learn today how to solve word problems by interpreting fraction as division. A fraction is a portion of the whole thing, like here in this example, 3/4. It has two numbers, one on top of the bar and the other one is below. The number on top of the bar is called numerator. It is the number of equal parts taken. While the number below the bar is called denominator. It is the total number of equal parts in a whole. Let us work on this example so that you will be guided and you would know how to solve word problem by interpreting a fraction as division. Amna and Shamsa are best friends. They bought 7 pieces of oregano to share equally among themselves. How much does each girl will have? We are going to divide 7 pieces of oregano into 2 girls. Since Amna and Shamsa will get 7/2 each, I am going to show it to you through models so that you're going to understand it well. Accordingly, we're going to have 7 oregano. Then, we are going to distribute 1 piece of oregano to each girl, 1 for Amna and 1 for Shamsa. Since we have more oregano, we're going to give 2 pieces to Amna and 2 pieces to Shamsa. So that we're going to finish distributing the oregano, we're going to give 3 pieces to Amna and 3 pieces to Shamsa. And you can see that there will be 1 more piece left. Therefore, we're going to cut the 1 piece into halves so that we can give the halves into Amna and the other halves to Shamsa. Accordingly, each girl will have 3.5 pieces each. We're going to divide the 7 into 2 and Amna and Shamsa will get 3.5 pieces each. It is clear, right? Let us work on another example so that you will understand it well. 3 girls in grade 5 share their 5 dates pie equally. How much will each girl receive? We are going to divide the 5 dates pie into 3 girls equally. So, we're going to divide 5 by 3. Let us draw the 5 dates pie so that you can figure it out. Then, we are going to divide each dates pie by 3 so that the sharing will be equal. Let us assign each girl by their favorite colors so that you can easily identify how much does each girl will receive. If you are going to count the parts that we are going to give to each girl, they will receive 1 2/3 dates pie. You can see that in each pie, 1 girl will have 1/3. Therefore, we are going to add 1/3 5 times so that we are going to know how much each girl will receive. In addition to fraction, if the denominator are all the same, we're just going to add the numerator. Accordingly, we can get 5/3. To simplify 5/3, it will give us 1 2/3. It is easy, right? Moreover, if we're going to distribute the colors in each pie, we can give each girl 1 2/3 dates pie. Let us work on another example so that you can hit it off. 7 packs of cat food are used to feed 8 kittens. Each kitten receives same amount of food every day. How much does each kitten receive from the pack of cat food? Accordingly, we are going to divide the 7 packs of cat food into 8 kittens. Let me draw the 7 packs of cat food so that I can show you how to distribute the 7 packs into 8 kittens. Consequently, we are going to divide each pack by 8. Let me represent each kitten by colors again. If we are going to add the part of cat food each kitten eat in each pack, we're going to add 1/8 7 times. Accordingly, we're going to have 7/8. Likewise, if we are going to combine all the same colors together, we are going to have 7/8 also. Therefore, each kitten will receive 7/8 food for the 7 packs of cat food. Let us work on another example so that you can perfectly understand the lesson. 90 square meters of land was used to plant 12 kinds of crops equally. How many square meters does each crop be allotted? Accordingly, we are going to divide 90 square meters of land into 12 kinds of crops equally. Let us use the longhand division process. We're going to divide 90 by 12. How many 12 are there in 90? There are 7 12 in 90. We are going to multiply the quotient with the divisor. Accordingly, 7 times 12 will give us 84. Next, we are going to subtract 84 from 90. And it will give us 6. We can add 0 to the dividend and we can place a decimal point after 7 on the quotient. Moreover, we can bring down the 0 so that the 6 will become 60. And we can divide 60 by 12, which will give us 5. Multiplying the quotient 5 with the divisor 12, it will give us 60. And 60 minus 60 will give us 0. Therefore, the answer is 7.5. If we doesn't want to add 0 to the dividend, we can right away place the difference over the divisor on the quotient. And it will give us 6/12. I want you to remember that the difference will be the numerator and the divisor will be the denominator. Let us simplify the quotient, which is 7 and 6/12. The common factor of 6/12 is 6. Accordingly, we can divide 6/12 by 6/6. 6 divided by 6 is equal to 1. And 12 divided by 6 is equal to 2. Accordingly, the simplest form of 7 and 6/12 is 7.5. Therefore, each crop will be allotted 7.5 or 7.5 square meters of land. It is easy, right? Accordingly, we have met our goal for today's lesson. We have learned how to solve word problems by interpreting a fraction as division. To wrap it up, I want you to read the word problem very well so that you would know which one is the dividend and which one is the divisor. Likewise, you can represent each fraction by a drawing. Or you can use the longhand division process. Moreover, you can simplify the quotient by getting the common factor of the numbers in the fraction. It is easy, right? To conclude our lesson for today, I want you to always remember what His Highness Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan, may his soul rest in peace, wrote for us. Education is like a lantern which lights your way in a dark alley. Sheikh Zayed wrote and left this quote for us so that the youth will always remember the importance of education. His quote will handed down from generation to generation, but the genuine concern of Sheikh Zayed for his nation will always remain and be realized by the future generation. And to encapsulate our lesson for today, I want you to always remember that life is a math equation. You cannot get the most of it if you cannot convert the negatives into positive. I do hope you have learned a lot for today's lesson and you find it easy. Till next math lesson. Catch you later, guys. See ya!